Hi, this is Zach, King of the Throne at My Luxury Loo, and I'm going to show you how to install your smart bidet. First, I've already unboxed the product. We've already taken the seat off of the existing toilet, and we have already had an outlet installed. If you haven't done that first, make sure you have a licensed electrician put an outlet in. And here we will begin. First, you'll take the paper board, which is designed to be an alignment piece. Line this up with the tip of the bowl, and that will tell us where the bracket is going. First step will be to take the screw and the washer and the nut out of the expansion bolts. And we'll take the expansion bolts and press them into the holes on the toilet. You'll line the bracket up to be even over the holes and lined up with the paper, making sure that it's still aligned with the tip of the bowl. And you take the screw and nuts and fasten them into the expansion bolts. Check for tightness. If you need to adjust afterwards, you can loosen the bolts and adjust forward or back or side to side as needed. You'll take the seat, and this part will slide onto the bracket that we just mounted. Clicking it into place. Now you've installed the seat. To connect the water supply line, step 1, turn off the angle valve water supply line. Shut off the angle valve. Flush the toilet to remove any excess pressure. The next step will be to disconnect the water supply line from the tank. It may require a wrench. You'll want to keep a towel nearby for any excess water. Then you'll connect the 3-way connector in between the water supply line I want to make sure the connection to the tank is very tight. I want to make sure that's tightened with a wrench. The last step will be to take the water inlet hose, take off the little connections, and connect this with the little T part going onto the seat. Make sure you have a snug fit. And the bottom part connecting to the three-way T. Make sure everything is tightened. Turn on the angle valve. Check for any loose connections. Make sure there's no leaks. Good to go. After my luxury loo has been installed, take the plug and insert it into the outlet. You'll hear one beep for it to turn on. We'll do a quick self-inspection and then another beep to signify that it is ready to go. And we're good to go. The water will fill the tank. It takes about 3 minutes for it to initially get hot, and then you are ready to roll. Treat your peach.